Hey, we're here at Paperclips Tax. We're going to help you get some information on your taxes. It's tax season. We're going to hit a little information for 2018 and maybe a little bit for 2019. Let's go check it out.
We do it for fun, we just do it for fun.
Hey, this is Ronnie, and this is the Rescue Ronnie Show. We're here with Mr. Rishi of Paperclips Tax. How are you doing today, sir?
Pretty good.
Very good, very good, very good. It is tax season, people. So we have a lot of questions about, I've heard a lot about this tax reform. Maybe you can give us a little insight. I know it's not going to be in effect till 2019,
That is correct.
but I know things are going to be kind of a ripple effect, so maybe you can give us a little bit of insight on that.
Tax reform, everybody's talking about tax reform. And just to let the public know that the tax reform is for 2018, it's not for 2017. We're in the tax season right now. The tax reform is for 2018. There are a lot of changes.
Yeah.
And I believe as an accountant that there's a huge advantage for a lot of people who will be getting benefit out of this.
Well, what are some of the advantages that we'll get?
What I've seen, what we have seen in the reform, that the tax rate obviously has gone down. The rates have changed. They've dropped from 15% to 12%, from 25% to 22%. There's 7 tax brackets. The tax has gone down. The exemption is obviously going to go away, but the standard deduction for everyone, whether they're filing married filing joint, single, or head of household, has doubled. So there'll be pretty good deductions. On top of that, folks who has got children, claiming children,
Yes.
and income
We got
credit,
it. Yes.
and income credit is going to go up. The amount of child tax credit has gone up from $1,000 to $2,000.
Keep pumping those kids out. Keep pumping those kids out. Yeah.
That does not mean you pump the kids out, but you know, it's still there pretty good advantages on that. Yes, sir.
Very good. So we have a lot of our viewers are either small business owners or they are looking to start businesses in 2018. Are there any sort of tax advantages that can help in 2018?
Most
Benefits?
definitely. The tax reform, like I said, is for 2018, which will be done in 2019 taxes.
Sure.
So people who are starting up new business, they will be getting 20% tax on the net income. 20% of that is going to be tax-free.
Yeah, that's huge. That's
So
really,
that's not
that's
only
great.
for sole proprietors, it is also for S corporation, corporate taxes, anyone.
Sure.
So it is going to be really, really good. S corporations do not pay taxes, but it's a pass-through corporation, pass-through entity, meaning that all the profit is going to be shared by the officers of the company, meaning if you have a profit, $50,000, $10,000 will be tax-free. There will be no tax on that whatsoever. So that's a huge break.
I like
It's a huge
free.
break.
I like free, Rishi.
People who are trying to buy houses, their net income on their taxes is going to show even higher because it's tax-free, but the income is still going to show that you did make that money.
Sure.
So easier to qualify for loans as well.
Very good. So yeah. As you know, I do real estate. So maybe you can tell us a little bit, or our viewers tell us a little bit about the tax advantages of buying or purchasing a home.
Buying houses, it's always good. It's an American dream to own homes. Do not forget, keep on buying houses. It's a great thing to have your own home. Advantages, you will still be able to take mortgage interest credits. That is has not gone away. Property tax obviously is going to be limited to $10,000. It's not a big deal for a lot of middle class people. They're not buying $1 million houses, so there will be not a big impact on that. Therefore, the mortgage interest, property tax, and some other deductions added up for married filing joint, if it's over $24,000, it is going to be an advantage. But a lot of people who has got little mortgages may not be an advantage, but the standard deduction has doubled. That's advantage by itself.
You hear the man, buy big houses. spend your money on real estate. Yeah.
And if you can afford it, go
Yeah,
for it.
if you can afford it.
If you
Yeah.
can afford it, if you can qualify, why not go for it?
Of course.
Live your life, man.
So, Mr. Rishi, I get my taxes done by you. If somebody else wants to reach out to you and find out where this building is right here, can you give us the address?
Yes, our address is 3291 Truxell Road in Natomas. We got 2 offices, one in El Grove,
Yeah.
one in Sacramento and Natomas, and we have our website. You can check us out on Yelp or YouTube or any media. We are in service for about 38 years now, and we've got very happy clients.
Yeah, this guy's a tax guru. So contact him. And then what's also your phone number?
My phone number is 916-641-6060.
You heard that. All right, guys, as always, have the best of your life, and adios.
We do it for fun. We just do it for